Good morning. I'm Ayush Kohli, class 10th A. I am representing our group including Anshul Singh, Anjali Tiwari and Anshon Bora. Our project is about sources of energy in Karnataka. At first, we would like to thank our science teacher. Under the guidance of them, we have completed the project. Now, various energy sources in Karnataka. So, the state Karnataka is blessed with abundant renewable and non-renewable resources of all forms. Renewable means resources that can be renewed again and again, and non-renewable means resources that can not be renewed. The state has an allotted renewable energy capacity of 29,151.1 megawatt as on November 2017. Now, there are some renewable energy in Karnataka: solar energy, wind energy, hydro energy, and there is only one non renewable energy found in Karnataka, that is coal. So, now we will start renewable energy resources. Solar energy. Solar energy means it is radiant light and from the sun. Karnataka Solar Park is a 40.5 megawatt photovoltaic power station, and it is located at Chikbukka village in the Gopal district of Karnataka, and it was commissioned in January 2018 and covers 72 hectares and supply about 72,000 people with energy. This park is operated by Teltitude Solar Projects and was constructed using 125,080 solar modules. The solar power is taken by the plant by Solar Energy Corporation of India. Now we will move to wind energy. The gross potential of wind energy in Karnataka is 6,620 megawatt, assuming 1% land availability for wind farms. 33 stations were established by the Ministry of Non-Conventional Energy Source, Government of India, and 19 by the Karnataka Power Corporation Limited. Now the last renewable energy available in Karnataka is hydro energy. Hydro means water, so the energy which we get from water is called water energy or hydro energy. Karnataka is the first state in the country to set up a professionally managed corporation to plan, construct, operate and maintain power generation project. And there are some main points about the hydro energy in Karnataka. The total installed generating capacity of state has been 14,327.725 megawatt, of which hydro contributed 6,498 megawatt. Karnataka is endowed with hydropower potential estimated to be 7,000 megawatt. By this we have completed our renewable energy resources. Now we will start non-renewable energy resources in Karnataka. Coal is the only non-renewable energy resource which is used in Karnataka. State produced about 61 terawatt-hour electricity in the year of 2017 to 18 and imported about 7 terawatt-hour from interstate grid to meet its total demand of about 68 terawatt-hour. According to report, the largest proportion of electricity, about 49%, came from coal-based power plant with 9.8 gigawatt capacity working at 35% capacity factor. Now we conclude that Karnataka is a rich state in the basis of renewable energy sources. So the state should take initiative to promote it and limit non-renewable energy sources, because we have limited non-renewable resources and it also affect the environment. So this is all about our science integrated project. Thank you.